Hey guys, it's Shannon. So I get asked all the time, what does my hashtag stand for? It says hashtag BCDIYNOT. And I think a lot of people get confused because of the not part. So today I wanted to share with you what it actually stands for. So actually the hashtag is a play on words. And BC stands for because, you know, if you're texting, sometimes you quickly type BC instead of the whole word because when you're typing out a text. The next part, of course, DIY, do it yourself. And the not part doesn't mean not. It doesn't mean don't DIY. It means DI and then Y standing for why not? So basically it means why not do it yourself? Why not to try a new project? Why not take some inspiration away from my channel and be creative and live a creative lifestyle yourself? So basically I hope that clears up what the hashtag actually means. I thought it was a fun play on words and something fun that you guys can actually use this hashtag and tag me in. So if you go on Instagram and use the hashtag BecauseDIYNOT, you will actually get put into that hashtag group and I can see some of y'all's work. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I'm so glad I could finally clear this up. Tag some of your posts, your pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, different places, and I'll be checking those out periodically. Maybe I will give you guys a like and a comment myself. I hope that this video inspired you. Give it a thumbs up if you did. You can also hit subscribe. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.